upstairs before.
Man, it's my little homie Nine right here. My nigga Byron, son. Y'all might not know. You know what I'm saying? We're some grown folk shit. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna motivate this little man right here. Whatever anger you got inside, you know what I'm saying? Express it in your own way. You know what I'm talking about now? You my little man. We gonna talk about it. That's what we gonna tell him right here. Look, check it. What's on your mind, baby? I hear you crying, lady. And it's about the fucking time I lay you down, baby. I hear you talking to me. I feel you speaking, baby. You say you want it, but tonight have you weak, baby. Ooh, wee. Nah. But she don't feel me on this beat. She say she really love Young Killer, but I think she love this meat. Nah. Yeah. And I ain't lying, I'm ready to speak. And for them boys that's talking down, see we can be. Nah. Yeah. And see, we both out in the street, and for them boys that's talking down, see, I bust your fucking meat, baby. Yeah, so check me out when I be creeping in the late fucking night when I be creeping to the 9 miller. Yeah, keep it right inside my hip. For them boys that's talking down, and I bust them right on their lip. Boom, ha. I think he gone, you better move, and it's another fucking day, so it's time to groove. Lady, see, I know you been listening. I know you want it, so tonight I'm being specific, baby. Yeah, come close to let me get it. Grind all up on you. Guaranteed I fucking get it, split it. Off the Richter, off the motherfucking brain. They call Young Killer 9 millimeter. We off the chain. Better catch that rhythm. Better yet just catch that mic. And for them boys that's talking down, see me and Nine, we wreck it all night. Ay, motivation. Stop it now. Me and Nine performing.